Hello guys, come back. Going to show here I actually start about to go through something that we can actually about to underestimate today, which is about how you color library in Figma. So this way really is starting to be a strange question, because what kind of library that you would like to color. So for example, I will start to go here for assets and then started for adding more libraries. Now I started to publish, to add more libraries and search for libraries. I will about to be exactly to add this one, and actually about to open file. Now once you do that, you can actually start to open a library. Okay, and as you can see, this will be about opening Figma, and use KI, make copy of this file, and then as you can see, this will be about to be opened over here. And what we see is really about to be like this. And okay, imagine this kind of the library that has a beard is like this. So we have to press here like this and Control A on when you click on out of the drawings, and then you kind of started to go for here fill, and then starting with this one. And that is all about